Grids and guides are useful tools in Photoshop that help you align objects, create balanced layouts, and design with greater precision. However, there may be times when you want to temporarily hide them so you can view your artwork without distractions. The good news is that Photoshop lets you show or hide grids and guides in just a few seconds. To hide or display guides, click View, Show, Guides, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Sign on Windows, Command+Sign on Mac. If you want to show or hide the grid, go to View, Show Grid, or press Ctrl+On on Windows, Command+On on Mac. These commands simply toggle the visibility of the guides and grid, so you can switch them on or off whenever you need them. Hiding these overlays does not delete them. They remain in your document and can be shown again at any time. This is especially helpful when checking the final appearance of your design or when presenting your work without alignment lines visible. With these quick shortcuts and menu options, you can easily manage grids and guides to keep your Photoshop workspace organized and improve your editing workflow. Thanks for following this tutorial, and be sure to check out more Photoshop tips and tricks to make designing faster and easier.